Okay. Yeah. I hope you can see my screen now, right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So, first thing, in last session, just we discussed about what, how to, what is the Microsoft Azure, and what are the different types of certification papers are there for Azure. Next, mainly we focused on AZ104. Other one is what, AZ400, Azure Administration with DevOps. Okay, today I am going to discuss about how to subscribe for Azure free trial. Okay, to subscribe for Azure free trial, please have a look here. So this is the standards. Okay, first, to subscribe for Azure free trial, we have to follow 4 steps. How many steps? 4 steps. Okay, one, we required your personal information. You need to enter your personal information. Okay, personal information in the sense your first name, last name, email address, and address details. Okay, yeah. Second step, you have to enter mobile number. What is that? Mobile number. That mobile number, once you enter into the mobile number, you will get 6-digit OTP. 6-digit OTP. Okay, clear? Uh, 1 second. Okay, yeah, sorry. So yeah, this
Yes, sir.
is what mobile number. You will get 6-digit OTP. Okay, so once you enter into the 6-digit OTP, your mobile will get validated successfully. Right. Next, third step, you have to enter credit card details. Credit card details. Okay, so credit card details, it will be debited 2 rupees. Okay.
Sorry, I just joined. May I know where do we enter these details?
Yeah, sorry. So we have to enter credit card details. Okay. Yeah. Once you enter into the credit card details, you will be debited 2 rupees. Okay. You will be debited 2 rupees. Why they are deducting 2 rupees is just to validate whether you are genuine user or not. Okay. That amount will be credited back to your account within 2 to 3 working hours. 2 to 3 working hours. Clear so far?
Sorry, I just joined. So may I know where do we enter these details?
Sorry.
Sorry, I have just joined. So may I know where do we enter these details?
I will come to that point. Just I am entering the details. Okay. Yeah. Next. So for Indian people, okay, I am repeating, for Indian people, you will be deducted 2 rupees. That amount will be credited back to your account 2 to 3 working hours. Okay. So totally it is free. For USA people, you will be deducted $1. Okay, that amount also would be credit to your account within 2 to 3 working hours. So totally it is free. Okay, final fourth step, you have to agree terms and conditions. You have to agree terms and conditions. Okay, once you subscribed for Azure free trial for Indian people, you will get 14,500. Okay, 14,500. Okay, so you will get 14,500 free credits. We will call them as free credits. For USA people, you will get $200 free credits. Okay, so these free credits can be used for 30 days. How many days? 30 days. After 30 days, automatically your account will be deactivated. Okay, whether you use it or not, they are least bother about it. After 30 days, automatically your account will be deactivated. So on 31st day, you will not able to perform any operations. Okay, yeah, so far it's clear. Now I am going to show you how to subscribe for Azure Free Trial demo now itself. So first thing, here to enter the personal information, you can use Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, okay, any Hotmail, anything you can use it. But my suggestion is use Microsoft account Outlook. Okay, so I can say abc@outlook.com. Okay, my suggestion, you can use anything, no issues. Why? Because this account we are going to use it for 30 days. So after that it will get deactivated. Either you can use personal email address, no worries, but if you have separate account, that would be good. My suggestion, that is. Okay, yeah. Next, how to subscribe for Azure free trial is just go to portal.azure.com. Okay, yeah, or else azure.microsoft.com. This is the official site. I am telling you, please remember this URL. Why? Because in future sessions, if I have any session, any doubts, any queries, any issues, I will go and verify it only this site. This is Microsoft official site provided for only Azure, no other things, only for Azure. Okay, in Azure, Microsoft providing around 300 services. You least bother about it. All 300 services documentation here. Okay, yeah. Next, if you observe here, see here you can get started. Try Azure for free. Okay, yeah. Or else in menu here we have what? Free account. Just click on free account. Okay, start free. See, bill in the cloud with an Azure free account. Okay, start free. Okay, yeah, here you can enter your email address, guys. Okay, if you don't have the account, here if you know account email address, you can create new one. So I am going to create new one. I am giving Sekhar. I am giving today timestamp 2022 11th month, today 9 at the rate of outlook.com. I am creating fresh account. Next. Okay, I am entering the password SharePoint at the rate of 12345. So this is the new account which I am creating. Okay, so it is asking some puzzles. Pick square that allows two identical object. Can you help me how to get identical objects? I think this one, right? Anyone? This one. Okay, your free Outlook account has been created. Okay, so what is the email ID? Sekhar 2022 11th month. Today's date is 9th, outlook.com. Okay. Okay, guys. Now, country. This is your profile. Country. First name, I am giving Sekhar. Okay. Middle name, you can leave it. Okay. Last name, Ali Milli. Something else. Next, this is my ID. Here, enter the mobile number. Okay. Mobile number should be unique. Okay. You can enter mobile number. I am entering my mobile number. Okay. After enter the mobile, text me. So once you text it, you will get 6-digit OTP. Yeah, I got 6-digit OTP, 959577. Verify the code. See, the code has been verified. Now enter the organization. Organization can be anything. You can provide anything. If you don't know what need to be provide Naresh IT. No issues. Or else your name IT. Anything you can provide, no issues. Okay, yeah, address detail. I am entering Nizampet. Okay, yeah, near JNTU. Okay, address Hyderabad. Okay, state Telangana. Okay, 5 lakhs 90. Okay, enter agree terms and conditions. Next. So
Sekhar,
I have entered all my credentials. I enter the mobile numbers. 2 steps are completed. So how many steps have been completed? 2 steps. These 2 steps are completed. Okay, now I have to enter credit card details. Okay, yeah, second step is completed. Now here we have to enter credit card details. Only credit card details I can suggest you guys. So debit cards also they are accepting only they are accepting ICICI, okay, Citibank and Kotak Mahindra. These 3 debit cards are accepting at present. Okay, SBI, HDFC, these are all not accepting credit cards, anything, guys. Any banking credit card, it will accept it. No worries. So, yeah, this is the card holder name, and you can enter the details, sign up. Okay, I have credit card details. I am going to enter.
hello Sekhar.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, see, if I used one mobile number and credit card, can I reuse it? Those mobile
I will
number and
come to
credit
that
card.
point. Yeah, I will give you total information about it. So here I am giving Sekhar A card number I am entering. Already yeah, let's see 5242 1491. Okay, this is my credit card 116 26. Okay, CVV number 011. Okay, yeah, so I entered all credit card details. Now click on submit it. Don't care about it, automatic debited will be happen. Don't think about it. So Microsoft won't charge you even single paise without your interaction. Okay, see what it is giving. If you observe, complete your payment, merchant details, they are debiting 2 rupees. For US people, they will be debited $1. Okay, so date is, this is the one, this is my card number. Okay, so you will get one OTP that has to be entered here. So I got OTP Okay, 844,745. The moment when you submit it, okay, so your registration will be success and you will get 14,500 free credits. Already I have used this credit card, I may get issue. Okay, yeah, sign up. Yeah, for me it has been created. Okay, yeah, see what it is giving. You are not eligible for Azure free account. Actually, this credit card already used it for our previous batches and all, so it is throwing an error. Now I am coming to your point. So your mobile number, credit card, and email address should be unique, guys. Okay, if you have already used credit card to subscribe for Azure free trial, that credit card cannot be used again and again, only one time. Okay, if you would like to create another Azure free trial account, you should change mobile number, email address, credit card details. If any of these things match, you cannot create Azure free trial account. Now, if you have any questions regarding subscription, ask me now itself. You don't ask me again and again, whatever the questions regarding these subscription details. Let's start. You can ask me any questions if you have. I am repeating, assume that you have subscribed for Azure free trial with one credit card. 30 days is over. With the same credit card, can we subscribe for Azure, another Azure free trial account? No. Okay, you have to change three parameters. Okay, every time you have to change three parameters. You have to create new Gmail ID or email ID. Next, mobile number need to be changed. Next, credit card details should be changed. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free and ask me now itself.
The debit cards that you mentioned, can you please repeat the list?
Sorry, debit cards?
Which all debit cards are accepted?
No, guys. They are fake statements. You might have seen different areas. They will accept only credit cards. Debit cards are whatever I listed down.
Yeah,
ICICI, Kotak Mahindra, Citibank. Virtual cards and all, they won't accept it.
so these are the three only debit cards.
Yes,
ICICI.
at this point of time. If you have other debit cards, write out, no harm in that, right? Okay, I am repeating again. To subscribe for Azure free trial, we have to follow 4 steps. One is enter your personal information, mobile number, credit card details, and agree terms and conditions. For Indian people, you will get 14,500. For USA people, $200 free credits that can be consumed for 30 days. Okay.
Sekhar, one doubt.
Yeah.
Suppose our service has ended and whatever our course is covered for 2 months. Okay. So as per your understand and as per your experience, how much exact money will be expensive if you will be continue out with that service then for 2 months?
Yeah, good question. That we cannot predict it, guys. So charges are applicable in Azure is hourly basis. Okay, I said right. For example, you have created one virtual machine. Okay, you have used it for 2 hours. 2 hours into 10 rupees, they will be debited 20 rupees. So you have created AKS services and you have used it for 10 hours. 10 into 10, 100 rupees, total 1,000 rupees. So at the end of month, you will get 1,500 invoice bill you have to pay. If you go for license, pay as you go model. So after free trial, you people can go for what is that pay as you go model. Who can bear that amount? Pay as you go model. Okay, again I am repeating, don't ask me questions like AWS providing 1 year, why not Azure provide 1 year subscription and all. So that is Microsoft rules and regulations and guidelines. We cannot do anything. Any subscription in Azure for free trial, that is 30 days. After 30 days, you don't worry about it. You will not be charged in even single paise. After 31st day, your account will be deactivated. You cannot perform any operations. You cannot create, you cannot delete, you cannot modify the services.
Yeah, Sekhar, I have a small doubt here.
Yeah.
See, in AWS, in case there will be 750 hours per month will be there.
Yeah.
I think. So, in case anything services are running, after the 750 hours, automatically they will billing. Correct? So, they will bill for the remaining hours, actually.
Yeah, they will be billing anyhow after. If you are not paying, that that account will get deactivated after 1 year or under. That is different story.
No, what I'm asking is here, in case they are providing 14,500 credits.
Yes.
No?
Yes.
Say, for suppose if I consume that credits within 2 or 3 days.
Yes.
3 days.
Yes.
So what about the remaining 28 days?
Yeah, within 2 days, your account will be deactivated.
Okay, that's it. So, but they don't simply allow.
They don't charge anything. Either if you consumed all free credits in a week, so after next week that you cannot use that account anymore. So maximum 30 days. If you consume under 14,500 free credits within 1 day, second day itself, your account will get deactivated. That's what I'm telling. You will not be charged single paise without your interaction.
Got it. Thank you.
Sekhar, suppose if you create any VM, right? Even though if it is not up and running, then also Azure is going to charge for.
Yeah, that is good question. Going forward, I will let you know. If services are in stopped mode, they won't be charged. Your billing cycle will be stopped.
Okay. So we need not to terminate in our trail account, right?
Yeah, you need not terminate it, that service. Happily, you can just stop that service.
Okay. Thank you, Sekhar.
Any more questions? Please ask. If you have any questions regarding this free trial subscription, I will clarify now itself. You should not ask these questions going forward.
Sekhar, in the earlier sessions, you mentioned somewhere like if we have some existing Windows account that can be utilized for this Microsoft Azure.
Windows account?
If we have a authenticated Windows on the machine, so can we use that account?
No, guys. Only two options here. You have to go for either free trial or else already you are working professional, already your organization is using Azure free Azure subscriptions. Yes, same credentials you can use it and consume it. But 100% organization people won't allow you to deploy your services for R&D purpose. 90% it won't happen. So 10% may be exceptional case. Your organization may be provide the approval for R&D purpose. So I'm not sure, just that you can check with your organization. Clear? Okay, guys. Any more questions? If you have any questions, feel free and ask me. Don't hesitate. Any question, whether it is respect to subject or Azure, whatever it is. I hope it's clear for subscription, right, guys? Can I move on next topic?
Yeah.
So other thing is, other point which I would like to mention here is, okay, I am changing mobile number and the credit card. If I use same email ID, will it work? No, it won't work. Same, whatever the error message I got, no, same message, it will be trigger for you as well. So you are not eligible to create free trial account. That is what it will trigger. So every time, if you would like to create new Azure free trial account, you must change the 3 parameters. One is email address, mobile number, credit card details. Okay. Yeah. Next. So already I have the account. Mine is subscription. I purchased the subscription. So after you subscribe for Azure free trial, just type URL. What is the URL? portal.azure.com. What is that? portal.azure.com. Okay, portal.azure.com. Clear? So this URL is global URL. No one can change. For example, I am working on TCS. I can put tcs.portal.azure.com. Is it possible? No. So I am pinging this URL. This is the standard, guys. Global URL. No one can change. No one can customize it. Okay. Even when you go for Microsoft organization, they also has to use portal.azure.com. Okay. Hit enter. Okay. Enter the credentials. So while you are subscribing for Azure free trial, whatever the credentials you have entered, same credentials has to be entered here. So I am entering my credentials. Okay, that is outlook.com. Okay, I am entering my password. Yes. Okay, this is the portal. Now I am entering portal.azure.com. Okay, yeah, this is my Azure portal, guys. Okay, initially when you subscribe for Azure free trial or when you access the portal, you will get this screen. Okay, I am pinging in the chart as well. You can pin it somewhere. Okay, this is the Azure portal. Okay, first thing I would like to mention this option. Okay, this is 3 underlines. Okay, just click on it. It will display all services provided by Microsoft. Okay, so if you would like to create one virtual machine, just go to start and create virtual machine. Like that you have to go. So I don't like every time click on here and navigate to required service. I feel that it is somehow difficult. I feel that. So what I will do, I will pin mark it permanently. I will do it in the menu bar. This we will call it as menu. Here one option is what? Settings. Now click on settings. Okay, appearance. First step, appearance and startup. Okay, here you will get 2 options. One is flyout, other one is docked. By default is flyout. Flyout in the sense left side menu will be disabled. Okay, every time it will be in hide mode. Now just click on it, you will get this left side menu. Okay, to place it permanently, click on it, click on appearance, docked, applied. That's it. So you will get this window. Permanently left side menu will be placed. So technically this we will call it as, please remember, blade. What is that, guys? BLAD, blade. Okay, or else we can call it as pane or left side menu. Left side menu. Got it? So, but frequently used term is blade, 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 blade. Okay, yeah. So this we will call it as blade. First step is over. Next thing is I am going for settings. Okay, appearance and startups.
Shekhar, sorry, I mean, there was some network interruption for me. Can you please come again the same previous point, please?
Okay. My voice is clear, guys. Anyone?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's network issue from my side.
Okay, fine. So I said, right, to place it this blade permanently in left side. So just go to settings, appearance. There is a flyout by default. Now change it to docked. When you mention docked, that left side menu will be permanently placed. So that is good habit. Got it?
Thanks, Shekhar.
Yeah. Next option is, see, go to settings, appearance and startup. Okay, this is the theme. In the theme, we have 4 options. This is generally how we people are changing the themes for your Gmail account, right? Same way we can change the themes for our portal for look and feel. Now I am putting dark. Total entire Azure portal displayed in dark color. Okay, yeah. Next, click on it. Go to appearance. I'm going back to Azure, applied. See, this is a blue and white combination. This is the built-in white, blue and white combination. Next, click on settings. Again, click on appearance. Okay, this is full white, full black, full none. Anything you can mention. This is the high contrast theme applied. See, like that. This is the look and feel. Somehow different look and feel. Okay, anyhow, you can choose whatever you want. That is depends on our requirement. But I will choose white and combination none. That's it. This is the built-in. This is the good look and feel which I like. Okay, fine. Next, other thing is appearance. Okay, I mean language. For example, we are Indian people, so we understand English. So by default, you can go for English look and feel. For example, China peoples are there. China people, they will read it out language in local. So they would like to appear local language called China itself. So how to change the region languages? Go here, appearance, language and region. See, this is the English. Okay, if anyone know China language, apply and just apply. So entire portal would be converted into Chinese language. Got it? This is the one requirement, guys. To be frank, if you are working with European people, European project, the people can like about Netherlands language or European language or Germany language. So they will ask you to display settings. You have to guide them for some clients. Okay, for example, you would like, Arabian language, go to appearance, go and apply Italian, apply it. So now entire portal would be converted into Arabian language. This is the Arabian language. Okay, leave out it. Now I am going back to my English language. Just apply English, United States, applied. Now it will be changed back to what? English. Okay, yeah. Next, this is my information. My information in the sense, whatever the email address you have passed while subscribing for Azure Free Trial, that will be appear here. Okay, yes. These two options are very important. So to practice it, one is set left side menu permanently. I mean blade. Next, other thing is settings option. Okay, next option I am going to discuss about. This is the one. This we will call it as notifications. What is that? Notifications or bell mark, bell symbol. Okay, what is the use of this bell symbol is, first, when I click on it, it will show you remaining amount left. I said, right, 14,500, they are providing free credits. Assume that you have created one virtual machine, one storage account, one database. So for all these three services, they debited 500 rupees. So 14,500 subtract 500, total 14,000. So that amount will be appear over here. Every hour it will change. Every hour it will change. So today you have consumed 1,000 rupees. By tomorrow morning it will be appear 13,500. Okay, for me it is showing 699. Okay, once my free credits are completed, that's it. I cannot use this account anymore. Okay, fine. That is the first point. Second point, if you deploy any service in Azure, okay, whether it is created, what is that? Whether the service is created or deleted, anything, okay, or service deployment is in progress, that information will display in notification bar. This we will call it as notifications. If I create one VM, whether it is in progress or whether it prone an error or it is deployed successfully, that status will display in notification bar. This is the notification bar. Okay, clear? So I have completed three options. Okay, these two and blade. This is the blade. Okay, yeah. Next, another option is Cloud Shell. This is the Cloud Shell, guys. Cloud Shell means if you would like to automate it anything, here you people write the script, PowerShell script or shell scripting or Python or what else, Terraform, that all you can execute it over here. This I will let you know, you least bother about it at this moment. You can leave it as this. Okay, yeah, next. Another thing is your information. So this is your information. So when I click on my Microsoft account, so what is your date of birth? What is your first name, last name? That all information it will display in these notifications. Okay, for me, here I can check. So this is my name. You can go for payment options. I don't like. Okay, your information. Click on your information. See my information, my date of birth, okay, country, okay, my Outlook account, all information it will display over here. If you would like to change anytime password, you can change it. Here you can change it. Okay, this is overview of Microsoft Azure portal information. Okay, I hope so far it's clear, right, guys?
Sorry, left side panel name antam sir.
Yeah, this we will call it as Blade.
Blade, sir.
Blade, B-L-A-D-E.
Blade.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is technical word, guys. Keep it in our mind. Blade, blade, blade. So some people will ask you, go to virtual machine Blade. Okay, go to the Blade. Okay, navigate to the Blade. Like that, they will use technical words. Blade in the sense left side panel.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, clear? Yeah. Next. So Microsoft. Why? Sorry. Yeah.
You have shown the settings. No? Once you go to settings, please.
Okay.
Here appearance. Go to appearance.
Okay.
Here focus navigation is there, no?
Huh.
You don't discuss about that. I don't.
Yeah, focus navigation where you are in, that will display. For example, I am in virtual machine. Here it will display what is that, home, right? It is displaying here.
Okay, okay, that is called as focus navigation.
Yes. Now here I am in virtual machine. Inside of the virtual machine you are in desk, so it will display desk. Inside of the desk settings, inside of the desk, that will be focused on here.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Next thing is why Microsoft Azure very popular for GUI based is this is one page application, guys. Very important. What is that? What I am calling it as one page application. One page application in the sense, what does it mean? If you join any organization, no, they will ask you one page profile. Have you heard about it? One page profile. Even though you have 20 plus years of experience, out of 20 years, might be you worked on 15 projects, they won't allow you go through entire your 19 page or 20 page resume. They will ask all details in one page itself. So simple, your name, work experience, where is your skill set, where you are strong, okay, what are your main primary skills, that's it. That is one page profile. Within a page, when I go through your profile, within a page, I should understand everything. That's it. Same way, this we will call it as one page application. One page application means if you go for AWS, there are pages like grid format. Grid format means like this. Got it? So you need not go here to there to here to somewhere to again come back. So that is not required. Here navigation is very simple. That's why I'm calling it as one page application. So if you click on anything, your page will be displayed in this part itself. Whatever I highlighted right there itself. For example, if I go to VM, see, the page is rendering here itself. Storage account, here only, create it. So the page is rendering within the page itself. So you need not remember navigation much here. Are you getting? So this we will collect as one page application. It is very powerful. So not unlike it is AWS. AWS is multiple links are there. So you have to go and search it. Where is that link? Where is that link? Here not required. Okay, fine. Next.
In this case, Shekhar, say for suppose if there are some subsequent steps to be followed to create a service.
Not
say,
required. I will come to that point. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Next, as I said, Azure providing 200 plus services. Here we can check. There is a third option. Click on all services. The moment when you click on all services, see it will display list of services. So general, compute, networking, storage, web, mobile, containers, database, analytics, Internet of Things, integration, identity, security, migration, many categories are there. So here Microsoft providing, as I said, 200 plus services. So if I go for compute, see here we have all options. I mean virtual machine, function app, batch files, Kubernetes, everything we have here. Okay, if I go for mobile application, mobile related application should be displayed here. Okay, database means database related service should be appear here, right? So this is very easiest way to identify. For example, you would like to create one SQL server. So I can go for directly containers, sorry, databases. If you would like to create one artificial intelligence project, just go for this category. If you would like to create one DevOps project, go ahead and create DevOps. Okay, if you would like to create some Intune projects, yes, you can go for Intune. Everything high transparent, easily we can remember. Okay, this is the another point. This we will collect as what, guys? Blade. This we will collect as what? Always I am telling blade, BLADE. Whoever is not speaking, could you please go on mute? Kindly requesting you. Okay, yeah. Next. Now I would like to deploy one service in Azure. Sorry. To deploy any service in Azure, first step which we have to perform is create subscription. What is the subscription? Collection of resource group. Okay, what is the resource group? Collection of resources. Please remember, if you know this architecture, that is the Azure, guys, nothing else. I am repeating. What is the subscription? Collection of resource group. What is the resource group? Collection of resources. Okay, here subscription in the sense just now we created free trial. We can go for pay as you go model. Okay, yeah. Next we can go for enterprise. We can go for Visual Studio Enterprise, Visual Studio Premium, Visual Studio Developer. Okay, we have many subscriptions in the market. So which subscription it suits for your organization, you people can go ahead and adopt it and create the or host the services. Right? Yeah. Now at present, I am using Visual Studio Enterprise subscription. This is my subscription. Okay, in home page itself, here you can have what is that under navigate option subscription, just click on subscription. See, okay, my subscription name is Visual Studio Enterprise. This is my license, guys. It's not free trial, it is license for me. Okay, so if you would like to purchase the subscription, here you can enter under subscription, just add it. Here it will display list of subscriptions. Your organization will go and purchase it. So this is free trial, pay as you go model, Azure for students. These are many subscriptions are there. Okay, anyhow, purchasing the subscription, it will be taken care by your organization. You need not worry about it. So there would be a question, one organization may have n number of subscriptions, yes or no?
Yes.
One organization may have n number of subscription. Why not? Yes, we can have 100 subscriptions and 1,000 subscriptions as well. Why? Because you are paying the amount. What is there not to provide the service from Microsoft end? Nothing, right? So you can have n number of subscriptions. No worries about it. Okay. Yeah. Next, I am repeating again. So what is the subscription? Collection of resource group. What is the resource group? Collection of resources. Okay, next definition. What is the resource group? Resource group is a container. First point is a container. Resource group is a container which holds the resources for Azure project solution. Okay, very important. Have a look. What is the container? Resource group is a container which holds the resources for Azure project solution. Okay, best example. You are going to visit one DMart or Heritage or Big Bazaar, anything, to purchase the grocery items. What you will do? You will take one basket. Assume that is the container. So you will keep all items, maybe sugar, what is that? Jaggery or some other groceries, biscuits, chocolates, everything you mentioned over there. What you'll do, we'll bring it to cash counter. Am I right? When you bring it to cash counter, all items, whatever you kept it inside of the basket, that are billable. Am I right? So at instantly, if some items are not required, just we'll keep it aside. So that is what? Out of billing. I mean, there won't be billed that item. Same way, here containers, here resource group, in the sense, it's a container which holds the, what is that? Resources for Azure project solution. Resources in the sense, everything we will call it as resource. Resource, or else we will call it as service. So I can call it as virtual machine is a resource, storage account, database, DNS, and backup and restore operations, artificial intelligence, everything we will call it as resource or service. Okay, clear? Yeah, so this is about what? Resource group. What is the advantage of the resource group? Resource management is easy. Resource management is easy. Next, cost control. Cost control of the project. If any services are not using since long time, we can terminate it immediately so that can save the cost. Save the cost of the project. Okay, yeah. Next, that is mandatory. This is the hierarchy. To create any service in Azure, we have to follow this architecture. First step, I am going to create resource group. Okay, in left side, there is one option called resource group. Create resource group. Okay, see, again, I am saying, what is the subscription? Collection of, what is that? Resource group. What is the resource group? Collection of resources. See, resources in the sense, maybe VM, database, SQL Server, networking, DNS, load balancer, firewall, etc., etc. So the subscription already I have created, Visual Studio Enterprise. Next, what is the resource group name? Java-RG. RG in the sense resource group. So Java related server, storage, network, database, DNS, load balancer, everything I will deploy it under Java resource group. Okay. If tomorrow they will create one .NET resource group. .NET related server, storage, network, database, all relevant services, they can be hosted on .NET resource group. Okay. After 10 days, you got SAP project. So they will create SAP-RG under SAP related server, storage, network, HANA, database, anything, they will host it under SAP resource group. So finally, they can track, oh, Java project, they got $1,000. Okay, .NET project, they got $15,000. SAP project, they got $10,000. So finally, monthly billing, they have to pay total $20,000 by organization. So they can track, oh, Java project this month they got $1,000. Okay, that is fine. All of a sudden next month, if it is increased $12,000, they will ask you why $2,000 more this month. Have you deployed any services, or whether someone created R&D purpose some other services? You have to provide the justification. So that's what organization people, they won't allow you to provide subscription for R&D purpose. Okay, so some companies they are providing for R&D, but maximum 90% companies they are not providing. Why? Because that is billable, so that should be paid by your organization. Okay, yeah. Next, this is about what? Java resource group. Next, region. What is the region? Region is nothing but geographical location. I am repeating, region is nothing but geographical location for you and for your customers. For example, I have more customers in South India. I can go and deploy South India. Okay, I have more customers in West India. I can go for West India. Assume that I have more customer in Singapore. Singapore is not there. It should be there. UK, Australia. For example, it is in Australia. You can go for Australia. So I am going to use East US. I am going to host it in East US. Next, tags. What is the tags? Tags are name pair values, which will provide the information about resource. Here, tags in the sense very important.
Sir,
yeah.
Can we create multiple resource group using
Why not?
single name?
You can create 1,000 resource groups.
So using single name like Java -RG.
Yeah, this is naming convention can be anything.
Okay.
Okay, some people I seen that some organization how they will follow the naming conventions, right? Have a look. For example, I am working in PwC project. PwC -Java -RG project code project 001 prod environment. Like that they can create. Okay, for test environment, PwC .NET -RG this is what project code 002 -dev. Like that they can create. So resource group naming convention can be anything. That is depends on your project to project, organization to organization.
Shekhar, I have one question. So resource group is a logical boundary, right?
Logical container, yes.
Okay. So can we keep our web server in one application? Can we keep our web server with one resource group?
Yeah,
and
you can do that.
Server in other?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Now here I am giving project.
Sir, what you wrote that one, sir? Sorry.
Sorry.
Sir. What you wrote that?
What we?
Naming convention.
Yeah, naming convention of resource group can be anything.
Okay, fine.
Okay, for TCS people, TCS are they are managing what is that some different projects, so they can access like this. So TCS -prod means production environment -project code project 9827. Next RG like that they can create it. Okay, guys.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, next. So tags in the sense just providing the information about your resource. For example, if I ask you introduce about yourself means what you will say? You will say your name, your education details, previous experience. Same way. So here we will provide the information about resource. These tags also used to filter the services in Azure. Okay, project, I am mentioning PWC. Next, environment. What is the environment? I can say production. And the project code. What is the project code? PWC 009. Okay, yeah. Next, owner of the project. Who is the owner? Okay, I can say mike@pwc.com. So if you have any questions related to services and all, you can contact them directly. Now hit on review plus create. Yes, create it. So this is very first step which we have to perform in Azure Cloud Computing. So Java resource group has been created. Right now, I would like to deploy one virtual machine. How can you host it? Navigate to virtual machine, create new virtual machine. See, again, I am repeating. What is that? What is the subscription? Collection of resource group. What is the resource group? Now I am creating what? Virtual machine.
Resources, collection of resources.
Yes, collection of resources.
Yeah.
What resource now I am creating? Virtual machine. Yeah, so subscription already it is there. What is the resource group name? Java-RG. So before deploying any service in Azure, make sure that get the information that resource should be hosted under which resource group, which region. These are mandatory details. If any clients, any customer, they have not provided, you have to send out an email. No harm in that. So get these details and deploy your required service under required resource group. Okay. Yeah. So to create virtual machines.
Sorry to interrupt, Sekhar, again.
Yeah.
Suppose like if you're trying to create in another resource group, it's going to allow Sekhar, like if you don't have access in that way.
If you don't have the access, then you cannot create it, right?
Okay, no, for this video subscription, like there is an admin, I think like we have 2 to 3 resource group, okay? So in like we have this Java RG and Java 1.2 like that. If you are trying to do it in Java 1.2, we don't know like whose resource group it is, then it's going to allow for that. So the like Sekhar.
Yeah, good question. Actually, if you don't have the permission on resource group, the list of resource group names would not be appear in this list.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Okay. Yeah. So if you have the permission for resource group, then only it will appear. Or else, first of all, it won't appear. So permission concept, it is big concept in Azure that I will show you after 20 sessions. Okay. Yeah. So to create this VM, it will take another 1 hour. Why? Because we have many things are there to discuss: basic, disk, networking, management, monitoring, advanced tags, many things are there. To cover it, it will take another 1 hour. So what we will do now, we will complete it in tomorrow's session to host this VM. Okay. So meanwhile, if you have any questions, feel free and ask me. My first requirement is I want you people subscribe for Azure free trial today itself, and let me know if you are facing any issues in tomorrow's session. Okay, once everything is completed, I will try to host one virtual machine in tomorrow's session.
The subscriptions that you showed, for you, it's showing as enterprise. If you can just help for those, what all other will be visible in the free accounts.
Your voice is not clear, KK. Could you please?
Is it better now? So, Sekhar, as you showed in the subscriptions, for your case, it was showing as enterprise. So, for the free accounts, what all options would be?
Yeah, for free account, you will get only free trial. That's it. Okay, so it is free trial. So permit is showing enterprise.
Sekhar, I have a question.
Enterprise, right? For you, it will show you free. That's it.
Sekhar, I have a question. Just I have a free subscriptions. I have created a one resource group, right?
Okay.
Can I add the resources of there is 2 VM South, South Asia and multiple region? Can I add the resources in multiple region?
Yes, why not? So first VM you can select East US, second VM you can choose West US, West Europe, anything you can choose, no issues.
In one resource group, right?
Yes, under one resource group.
So the billing can be added according to that, right?
Yes, correct.
And there is one more thing. do you also provide the details about the subscriptions? Because many enterprise level, you also we need to know that how many types of subscriptions and how to purchase and which subscription will be suitable for this. No.
No, actually free trial only, right? So adapting this subscription type and all will be taken care by organizational people. Need not worry.
Yeah, but can you give us some insights about this? Because
Yes,
I have
yes,
seen
I will
in the
provide the
organization that there will be some CSP providers who creates account for our organization, and our organization administrator will create users. There will be level of structure for this creation of the accounts.
Okay, okay, I will
give some
provide that
insights.
insights. Yeah, no worries.
And Sekhar, one
Sekhar. Hello.
Yes, go ahead.
So for free account, will be there any access boundary for the resources?
Nothing nice. You can create everything. Okay. So, but limitation.
Okay.
Limitation in the sense, you are using free account. I would like to create 100 virtual machines, means they won't agree. Maximum 4 virtual machines they are allowing. But everything, every service can be practiced.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, like Sekhar, one more thing. Like at the beginning, like while we are trying to create a subscription, right? It asked for the reason, right?
Yeah.
So if we need to change, suppose like we create for that same subscription, like we need 2 storage buckets, like one in like Australia and one more in India region.
Yeah.
Then at that time, like how to proceed that one, Sekhar?
How to proceed in the sense deploying the storage accounts?
Yes, but at the beginning, like we used only one reason, right? That is like Australia.
Yes, yes,
but
yes.
Again, now we need in like India region also for that same resource.
Yes, same resource group, you can host it. That's what I'm selling, right? So resource group can be any region, and the resources which are going to deploy under resource group can be any other regions. No worries. So
Okay,
what is the resource group in the sense? Bring all the services under one umbrella. Why? Because if all services under one umbrella, what will happen? Management is easy. We can control the cost. We can track where exactly our billing is killing.
Okay. And this VMs also having same like Sekhar, like Ubuntu, Red Hat centers?
Anything, yes.
Same, right? Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay, thanks for
also, sir, regarding that resource group, when we were creating that resource group, why did it ask for a region? Because as you said that we can create any kind of we can create VM in any region inside our resource group. Then while creating resource group, it did ask
yeah,
for a region.
that is the one rule provided by Microsoft. Just we need to follow. That's it.
Okay. And sir, there is one more thing. While create,
for example, assume that I am the client. I have only my company, my customers are there in Singapore. I don't have any other customers in Pakistan, India, or some other country. So for me, it is useful, right? My resource group is in Singapore. My all services in Singapore. My all customers also in Singapore.
Okay.
Yeah.
Also, sir, in resource groups, there is a default, there is a resource group called network watcher.
Okay.
Does it get created automatically?
Yeah. So that by default will create a network watcher and all. You will least bother about it. You can delete it as usual. No issues. Yeah.
Okay. And let's say that I've created my resources inside one resource group. Now I want to kind of migrate it to another resource group.
Yes, we can do that.
But will it face downtime?
Yeah, if it is virtual machines, downtime is required.
Okay, and let's see if I want to stop the resources which is in my resource group. So can I remove that subscription from that resource group so that I can stop the billing? Is it possible here?
Subscription cannot be removed. If you want, you can stop that service or else terminate it. That's it.
No. Removing the subscription from detaching the resource group from that subscription. Can we do this here?
No. Subscription cannot be removed from the resources.
Once it will be attached, right?
Sorry?
Once it will be connected with the subscription with the corresponding resource group, then you can change it, right?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Okay. So, Sekhar, actually, I was doubt. You have chosen the Visual Studio subscription key, right?
Okay.
Okay. So, as per my understanding, what I thought that anything related, I mean, you have chosen the IDE that is the Visual Studio. As I understand that anything of a .NET related anything, then you can choose.
Nothing nice. Only subscription in a sense, features. and the limitations. I said, right, we are going for free trial. Free trial means if you would like to deploy on virtual machine with 1000 CPUs and 4000 TB RAM, that is not possible. So that case, if you go for enterprise, yes, we can create one virtual machine with 1000 CPUs and 5000 TB RAM and all. So that is the limitation of this. So according to your business requirement, you have to proceed. So there would be additional charges as well. When you go for free trial, enterprise edition, so you can raise the case with Microsoft if you are facing any issues, n number of cases and all. Some discounts would be there. That is different.
Okay, so based on service subscription, we just
They
enable
will
our
provide the
service
service.
available, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Then,
Thank you.
Sekhar,
Each
like
of
you
these
meant to
resources-
tell that subscription is just for naming and identification purpose, right, Sekhar?
Yeah, naming and identification and the services host limitations.
Okay. Okay, and if you create subscription and if you're not creating any resource group, then also it's chargeable, Sekhar?
Yeah, you have purchased the enterprise. You are not deploying anything. There would be minimum service charge would be there, right?
Okay. Yeah. Thanks.
Yeah, nothing is free in the world, guys. Whether you go anywhere in the world, nothing is free. If they are providing some free, later they will charge double. That's it.
Does the cost vary for each of the resources that we utilize? Hello?
Sorry, come again.
Does the charges vary for each of the resources that we utilize, or it's like a standard charge irrespective of whatever resource you utilize?
Yeah, after deploying the resources only chargeable.
But does the charges vary for each of the resources?
Yeah, every resource.
So it could be possible like for database utilization that could be $10 and for VMs that could be 15.
Every service would be chargeable.
And the charges would be different depending on the what type of service we utilize.
Yeah, what type of service you are using and which region you are going to host, that all would be countable.
Good morning, sir. Sir, Firoz this side. Sir, yes, day before yesterday, sir, I tried to create 3 machines, 1 master, 2 nodes. Sir, in one region, Central India region, sir, after 2 machines, it's saying your quota is finished. Why, sir?
Yeah, that is the story I am telling, right? You are using free trial. If you would like to use like a high configuration and VMs and all, it won't support.
Sir, 4 GB only, sir, not high.
4 CPUs only maximum you can use it for free trial. If you create one virtual machine with 4 CPUs, that's it. Only one VM can be deployed. If you try to create another VM, you will get an allocation issues.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
So can we move a resource group to another subscription?
Yes, why not? If you have 2 subscriptions, happily you can move.
Then again, there will be downtime.
Yeah, 100%.
Okay.
Yeah. So moving the resources from one region to another region, one subscription to another subscription, 100% downtime is required.
Sekhar, like, can we take backup for subscription?
Subscription, no. The question itself wrong. Subscription
resource, we
cannot
can
be
take
taken
it.
the
Yeah,
backup.
sorry.
Inside of
Yeah.
the services, whatever you have
We can
deployed,
take
that
it.
can be taken the backup.
Why I asked means you mentioned about the downtime, right? So if you are moving that subscription to another subscription, so that's the reason I thought to ask you. Sekhar.
Okay,
That's
sure.
Sorry for that. Yeah.
No worries, no worries. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So please subscribe for Azure free trial today. So tomorrow I'm going to show you how to deploy one virtual machine. So not sure, maybe they will change the link tomorrow. So please keep in touch with institute people. If you have any queries, get in touch with institute people. They will clarify all your doubts. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Tomorrow we'll connect back. Bye. Have a great day. Thanks for your time.
Second, before leaving, I am Devendra. I am newly joined today only.
Okay.
What about that of fees and recording or notes? Is there any previous?
So from my end, I will share documentation, everything, and the class notes, dumps, everything I will take care. Regarding fee structure and all, you can check with DURGASOFT Institute people. Okay.
Yeah, got it. And one more thing, yesterday and day before yesterday, you already taken the class, right? Can you share that videos for refer me?
Yes, sure. You'll be receiving it is in by end of the today. I will inform to people, so they will share with you. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Bye. Have a great day.